Your custom, unique Magento site might make it feel like launching your own mobile app is a bad idea. Here's what you're thinking. It's too expensive, too slow, too much risk, and it's not going to work for us. But that's only true if you choose the wrong way to build it. The best way to launch your own app for your Magento site is Mobiloud. It's perfect for custom websites and lean Magento teams. Here are 6 reasons why. First, you're getting a real mobile app, not a PWA or a cheap wrapper app or something that looks vibe coded. You get a proper native iOS and Android app that lives on your customer's phone. Push notifications, home screen presence, and the full native experience customers expect. Second, and this is crucial, you don't have to rebuild anything. Your Magento site represents years of investment and optimization, custom checkout logic, catalog rules, features built to drive conversions and revenue. With Mobiloud, you don't need to rebuild all of that from scratch. Your site powers the app, and your products, design, checkout, and integrations all carry over intact. So your app experience is as powerful as your web experience and not a watered down version of it. The third reason is workload, or more accurately, the lack of. Most Magento teams are intentionally lean. You don't want another system to maintain, another code base, and a longer dev backlog. With Mobiloud, you don't need mobile engineers, and you don't need to pull your existing devs off revenue-generating work. The app is built, launched, and maintained for you. Fourth is speed. Traditional mobile app projects are slow, months to scope, and months more to build. And even then, there's no guarantees. With Mobiloud, you can be live in a few weeks and not half a year from now after endless iterations. You can start getting installs within about a month. The fifth reason is something Magento brands care deeply about: control without overhead. Your web store and your app stay perfectly in sync. That's every product update, pricing change, promotion, or homepage update. Change it once on your Magento site, and it instantly reflects in your app. No duplicate workflows, second CMS, or operational drag. Mobiloud adds revenue without adding complexity. And finally, ROI. Custom app builds are expensive bets. 6 figures up front and a year or more before you even know if it was worth it. Mobiloud flips the equation. Lower cost, minimal risk, and faster payback. Instead of gambling on a big custom build, you're making a measured business decision that can start paying itself within weeks. So if you've been thinking an app would be great, but it feels like too much, this is the way to do it. If you want to see what your Magento app can actually look like, head over to mobiloud.com and get a free preview.